Good evening, everyone. We're live at 9:26, battling for Jason's Han Solo blaster there. Great odds, 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste him in there. 10 entries. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. And as the dice slowly roll to a come on, dice. The dice are gonna come to a stop sometime. I'm gonna try and roll them again. Sometimes that happens. Nope, now it locked up on me. Stand by. I am going to roll the dice again. I'm not sure what that was. We got a 7, so we are good to go. Good luck, everybody, as we get down to it. Good luck. Robert takes round 1. Sven 2. John takes round 3. Sven round 4. And round 5. Matt in the top spot for our next to last round, round 6, bringing us to the final round. At long last, good luck. After some slow rolls, here we go. And our winner is Sven Schneider, in at number 7. Congratulations. Make it official. GVCEYN. Sven Schneider is the winner, in at number 7. I am done at 9:28. There you have it. One last time, here's our results. Sven in at number 7. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.